Public service announcement: Special education and parents' rights for USD 395. Everything you're going to need to know. Parent participation. Congress mandated that schools afford parents the opportunity to be members of any decision-making team for their child, including eligibility, initial evaluation, and reevaluation, and development of an individualized education program, or an IEP, for the provision of a free, appropriate public education. Definition of a parent. In Kansas, parent is defined as a natural biological parent, an adoptive parent, a person acting as a parent, a legal guardian, an official appointed education advocate, or a foster parent if the foster parent has been appointed the education advocate of an exceptional child. What is an IEP? An IEP is an individual education plan. Helps struggling or gifted students. The purpose of an IEP is to show growth and develop a plan to get back to grade level, or if you're in a gifted IEP, it's to have success beyond the general education classroom to heighten your education more than the school can provide in the regular ed classroom. A referral can be submitted by parents or general education teachers. IEP meetings are the big thing that happens with IEPs, which is a group of school staff forming together to help develop a individualized education plan. Parents are informed and notified of this meeting. They are given the IEP beforehand to review and look over, and to know what is coming up. The education staff is informed. At USD 395, the education staff is the building principal, school psychologist, counselor, general education teachers, special education teachers, and the parent, which is you, and your student or your child if they want to be included. And student evaluation is completed. Once that referral process happens by the referred to the school, and so the special education teacher knows, and their school psych and our team can come get that evaluation process going to see if the student is needing an IEP or if we need to go some other route. In that meeting, the IEP goals will be formed and suggested. The goals are going to reach, whether that is help in reading or math. The education plan is put into place, whether they're pulled out of the classroom fully, whether there is help put in the classroom, and to see that plan is put in and gone over in depth in that meeting. And the agreement with rights. So we all have to agree to move on and to put this into action. And as a parent, you have the right to agree or disagree with the education your child may receive. USD 395 Transparency's Promise. The success and growth of every student is important. Parents have a say in their students' education. We will collaborate together to provide the best education possible for every student within our district. As a parent, you have a final say in what your education for your student is when dealing with an IEP. You can choose to amend it or make suggestions or disagree entirely to the whole thing. USD 395 Commitment to Success. We will commit to being open and clear in our education process to ensure that we are doing everything possible for the success and future of every student. And we make that promise because we are here to help students and communicate with you as a parent. So thank you for listening to my public service announcements, and here are some resources I used. Thank you.